The whole world is our classroom. Recently, students of Maharashtra Education Society's Wagare High School Saswar visited Buffalo Bill Center of the West virtually. This is the research center as well as museum based in United States of America. In this virtual tour, students studied how different animals adapt to the local environment.
Seen mud boil before, but this is what it looks like. The ground, the magma heats the water table and shoots steam and hot water into the air. Well, animals have adapted, and look what they have done. They have found a place where the ground is so warm that the snow does not melt. So look at the snow behind them and the snow in front of them. Where they stand, there is no snow because the ground is so warm. This is a behavioral adaptation. Well, we have four different habitats here in the greater ecosystem. It's through four states: Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, and Utah. Very large area. And these animals live in four different habitats: alpine, forest, riparian, and plains basin. The alpine is high in the mountains, from 2,900 meters to 3,600 meters above sea level. And this is the summertime. You can see lots of snow fields right now in the high country, but you also forest environment between 1,800 and 2,900 meters above sea level. So these are coniferous trees. Those are trees with needles and cones, not leaves. These are lodgepole pine. We also have limber pine, white bark pine, and it's an environment. It's about 1,200 to 1,500 meters above sea level and very dry area. It's like a desert, but very important habitat for wildlife when they are in the winter area, wintertime. The Rocky Mountains near a place called Yellowstone National Park. And Yellowstone National Park was the first national park in the United States. So it's a very old park for the United States. It was founded in 1872. This area has lots of different kinds of habitats. Have you all heard that word? Give me a thumbs up if you've heard the word habitat. Do you know this word, habitat? No? Okay, habitat is a place where animals live, a place for animals to live. So we're going to talk about different adaptations to different habitats in the Yellowstone ecosystem today and the animals that live there. So first, let's think. Somebody must know, what are the four things that all animals need to survive on planet Earth?
Food, water,
Water's one, yes. Water.
air,
And water, cloth, and shelter.
and air.
Air, good. Air, water. Two more things.
Shelter,
Shelter, okay.
food, and food.
Food, water, shelter, and
Air.
air. Very good. Okay, so there I go. Okay, I'm going to use the word habitat instead of shelter. So air, food, water, and habitat. So a habitat is that space to live in. So if we think about all animals, we think about ourselves, what do we have in our bodies to help us get air? Sorry. What do we have in our bodies to help us get air?
Lungs.
Lungs. Yes. Very good. Lungs. Yes. Do fish have lungs? Fish? Do fish have lungs?
No.
No, sir.
What
They
are they
have
called?
gills.
Gills. Very good. So lungs and gills are two different adaptations for the same thing, getting oxygen inside the body of an animal. Let's take another example. What do all mammals have in their mouths to help them eat food?